female cheetah is on the lookout for the next family meal on the Serengeti. The plains are packed with all manner of prey, and she has a taste for gazelle. But she has to consider her chances. In a single chase, Mom will burn as many calories as there are in a large pepperoni pizza in as little as 20 seconds. If she can't catch the gazelle, that's wasted energy. If she can catch it, she still has to bring it down and risk serious injury. She spots a Thompson's gazelle. The chase is on. And the cheetah becomes a mammal missile. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Faster acceleration than a Mustang GT. At top speed, she's clearing 26 feet per stride and 91 feet a second. Suddenly, Mom sees a much bigger Grant's gazelle and takes a gamble. She just needs to pull it down and nail the killer bite. But this gazelle bucks the rules of Cheetah Fight Club. It's not coming quietly. The gazelle is more than twice her weight. So the cubs try to help. They can't let the prize escape. But it still won't go down. And in a split second, the gazelle turns the tables. He quickly shifts his head, putting the cheetah directly in the firing line of his deadly weapons. 30-inch horns. Mom tries to stay between the deadly spikes. As the powerful gazelle rams her into the dirt. But then, disaster. The gazelle's spear-like horn skewers her torso. It punctures hide and muscle, deep into an area packed with vital organs, stomach, liver, and bladder. The gazelle's defensive weapons save him. But the big cat is badly gored. And a cheetah that can't sprint after prey is as good as dead. The brutal battle slaps a death sentence on this feline family. Without their mother to protect them, these two cubs will go from running with the hunter to running as the hunted.